Hello! Welcome to Ball 360 TV. In this channel, we upload videos about NBA. And this video, we will discuss the current NBA Cup standing as of November 29, 2024. If you're new to this channel, please consider to subscribe and press the like button to help our channel grow. Here are the teams for East Group A: Orlando Magic, New York Knicks, Philadelphia 76ers, Brooklyn Nets, and Charlotte Hornets. Here is the team standings for East Group A. Number 5 is the Charlotte Hornets, 0-2 record. They lost both to Orlando Magic and Brooklyn Nets. Their next two games will be against New York Knicks and Philadelphia 76ers. Number 4 is the Brooklyn Nets with 1 win and 2 losses. They lost against Knicks, win against Charlotte Hornets, and lose again against Philadelphia 76ers. Their last game is against Orlando Magic. Number 3 is the Philadelphia 76ers with 1 win and 2 losses. They lose against Knicks, lose again against Orlando Magic, and win against Brooklyn Nets. Their last game will be in Charlotte Hornets. Number 2 team is the New York Knicks with 2 wins and no loss. They win against Philadelphia 76ers and Brooklyn Nets. Their next two games will be at Charlotte and versus Orlando Magic. And the number 1 team in East Group A is the Orlando Magic with 2 wins and 0 loss. They win against Hornets and Philadelphia 76ers. Their next two games will be at Brooklyn and at New York Knicks. And now the East Group B. Milwaukee Bucks, Detroit Pistons, Miami Heat, Toronto Raptors, and Indiana Pacers. Here's the team standings for East Group B. Number 5 is the Indiana Pacers, 0 win and 2 losses. They lost both to Miami Heat and Milwaukee Bucks, and their next two games will be versus Detroit Pistons and at Toronto Raptors. Number 4 is the Toronto Raptors, 0 win and 2 losses. They lost both to Milwaukee Bucks and Detroit Pistons, and their next two games will be at Miami and versus Indiana Pacers. Toronto is already eliminated in NBA Cup contention. Number 3 is the Miami Heat, 1-2 record. They lost at Detroit Pistons, win against Indiana Pacers, and lost again versus Milwaukee Bucks. Their next game will be versus Toronto Raptors. Number 2 team is the Detroit Pistons, 2 wins, 0 loss. They win both to Miami Heat and Toronto Raptors. Their next two games will be at Indiana Pacers and versus Milwaukee Bucks. The number 1 team in the East Group B is the Milwaukee Bucks, 3 wins, 0 loss. They win against Toronto, Indiana, and Miami. Their last game will be at Detroit Pistons. Here are the teams in East Group C: Atlanta Hawks, Boston Celtics, Cleveland Cavaliers, Chicago Bulls, and Washington Wizards. Here is the standings for the East Group C. Number 5 is the Washington Wizards, 0 win and 3 losses. They lost to Atlanta Hawks, Boston, and Chicago Bulls. Their last game will be at Cleveland Cavaliers. Fourth team is the Cleveland Cavaliers, 1 win, 1 loss. They win against Chicago and lost at Boston. Their next two games will be at Atlanta Hawks and versus Washington Wizards. Number 3 team is the Boston Celtics, 2 wins and 1 loss. They lost against Atlanta Hawks, and after that, they win both of their games versus Cavaliers and at Washington Wizards. The last game would be at Chicago Bulls. Number 2 team is the Atlanta Hawks, 2 wins and 1 loss. They win against Boston and Washington Wizards and lost at Chicago Bulls. Their last game will be versus Cleveland Cavaliers. And the number 1 team in East Group C is the Chicago Bulls, 2 wins and 1 loss. They lost to Cleveland Cavaliers but win against Atlanta Hawks and Washington Wizards. Their last game will be versus Boston Celtics. Let's proceed to West Group A. Houston Rockets, Los Angeles Clippers, Portland Trail Blazers, Minnesota Timberwolves, and Sacramento Kings. Here is the team standings for West Group A. Number 5 is the Sacramento Kings. 0 win, 2 losses. They lost both to Minnesota Timberwolves and Los Angeles Clippers. Their next game will be at Portland Trail Blazers and versus Houston Rockets. Number 4 team is the Minnesota Timberwolves. 1 win and 2 losses. They lost at Portland Trail Blazers, win at Sacramento Kings, and lost versus Houston Rockets. Their last game will be versus Los Angeles Clippers. Number 3 team is the Portland Trail Blazers. 1 win, 1 loss. They win versus Minnesota Timberwolves and lost at Houston Rockets. Their next 2 games will be versus Kings and at Los Angeles Clippers. The number 2 team is the Los Angeles Clippers, 1 win and 1 loss. They lost against Houston and win versus Sacramento Kings. Their next 2 games will be at Minnesota Timberwolves and versus Portland Trail Blazers. And the number 1 team is the Houston Rockets, 3-0 record. They win against Los Angeles Clippers, Portland Trail Blazers, and Minnesota Timberwolves. Their last game will be at Sacramento Kings. Houston clinched Group A. Let us have West Group B. Los Angeles Lakers, Oklahoma City Thunder, San Antonio Spurs, Phoenix Suns, and Utah Jazz. Here's the team standings for West Group B. Number 5 is the Utah Jazz. 0 win, 3 losses. They lost their games versus Phoenix Suns, at Los Angeles Lakers, and versus San Antonio Spurs. Their last game will be at Oklahoma City Thunder. Utah Jazz is already eliminated in NBA Cup contention. Number 4 is the OKC Thunder. 1 win, 1 loss. They win against Phoenix and lost at San Antonio Spurs. Their next 2 games will be at Los Angeles Lakers and versus Utah Jazz. The number 3 team is the San Antonio Spurs. 2 wins, 1 loss. They lost versus Los Angeles Lakers and win both of their games versus Oklahoma City Thunder and at Utah Jazz. Their last game will be at Phoenix Suns. Number 2 team is the Los Angeles Lakers. 2 wins and 1 loss. They win against San Antonio Spurs and Utah Jazz and lost at Phoenix Suns. Their last game will be versus OKC Thunder. And the number 1 team is the Phoenix Suns, 2 wins and 1 loss. They win against Utah, lost at Oklahoma City Thunder, and win versus Los Angeles Lakers. Their last game will be versus San Antonio Spurs. Let us have West Group C. Golden State Warriors, Dallas Mavericks, New Orleans Pelicans, Denver Nuggets, and Memphis Grizzlies. Here's the team standings for West Group C. Number 5 is the Memphis Grizzlies, 0-2 record. They lost both of their game against Golden State Warriors and Denver Nuggets. Their next 2 games will be versus New Orleans Pelicans and at Dallas Mavericks. Number 4 team is the Denver Nuggets, 1 win and 2 losses. They lost against New Orleans, win at Memphis Grizzlies, and lost versus Dallas Mavericks. Their last game will be versus Golden State Warriors. Number 3 team is the New Orleans Pelicans. They win against Denver, lost versus Dallas, and lost at Golden State Warriors. Their last game will be at Memphis Grizzlies. New Orleans Pelicans is already knocked out in NBA Cup contention. Number 2 team is the Dallas Mavericks, 2 wins and 1 loss. They lost against Golden State Warriors win versus New Orleans Pelicans, and another win versus Denver Nuggets. Their last game will be versus Memphis Grizzlies. And the number one team in the West Group C is the Golden State Warriors, 3 wins and 0 loss. They win all their games against Dallas Mavericks, Memphis Grizzlies, and New Orleans Pelicans. Their last game will be at Denver Nuggets. Warriors already clinched Group C. And here is the NBA Cup schedule for November 30, 2024. Jalen Brunson and the New York Knicks will play LaMelo Ball and the Charlotte Hornets in Spectrum Center at 1 a.m. Trae Young and the Atlanta Hawks will try to score a win against visiting team of Cleveland Cavaliers led by Donovan Mitchell in State Farm Arena at 3:30 a.m. The Memphis Grizzlies, led by Jaren Jackson Jr., will try to get a win in the NBA Cup against the visiting team of New Orleans Pelicans, led by Brandon Ingram in FedEx Forum at 6 a.m. Franz Wagner will try to stay undefeated in the NBA Cup versus Cam Thomas and the Brooklyn Nets in Barclays Center at 8:30 a.m. Both teams with 1-1 record in the NBA Cup will play each other in Target Center at 8:30 a.m. The Los Angeles Clippers, led by James Harden, and the Minnesota Timberwolves, led by Anthony Edwards. Cade Cunningham and the Detroit Pistons will try to defend their unbeaten record in the NBA Cup as they visit Indiana Pacers, led by Pascal Siakam in Gainbridge Fieldhouse at 9 a.m. Toronto Raptors will try to get their first win in the NBA Cup against Tyler Hero in the Miami Heat in Kaseya Center at 9 a.m. Boston Celtics, led by Jason Tatum, will battle Chicago Bulls, led by Nikola Vucevic, for the number one spot in the East Group C in United Center at 9 a.m. OKC Thunder, led by Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, will fight for the semifinal position in NBA Cup against Anthony Davis and the Lakers in Crypto.com Arena at 11 a.m. Domantas Sabonis and the Sacramento Kings will try to get their first win in NBA Group Cup play as they visit Portland Trail Blazers, led by Robert Williams III in Moda Center at 11 a.m. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to help this channel grow. Thank you so much, everyone.